Today's video is about how to replace a battery for a remote Ford Explorer 2018 through 2023, pretty much the same remote. And this is how you pry it out to get to the battery. Just get yourself something like a plastic tool like I have, and then just kind of find a way that it's a little clip, just kind of holding the battery, and just pretty simple to get it out. That's how you do it. Get the new one. I bought those batteries. They're pretty much comes with 5 in a package. Bought those online due to at the store, like they're pretty expensive, from $7 up to $10, just each one of them. So in here I bought about 5 of them for I would say less than $2 each. So it's a saving, and I keep the rest of them. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. Pretty simple way how to replace this battery. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.